Okay, so we're gonna continue. We're gonna talk about what we have talked about, the add function and the include function. Okay, about the blade template. Okay, and so if you remember that with our about, okay, and we have we have the repeated HTML code everywhere. Okay, so you can see that we have this here. Okay, we have these cards, these lines of code. We have the same navbar everywhere. Okay, in our blade, in our about.blade.php, in our index file, in our services file. Okay, but only the content it is different. Okay, about this is the services page, the index. Otherwise, the another things like the navbar all are different, all are the same. Okay, though that means we have the repeated HTML code in these three files. Okay, so if we want to do something to solve this problem, which is going very important for our project, okay, for our next project, so you have to do it. So we're gonna say we're gonna come here and we're gonna create what we call pages inside of, or not in the views folder. Okay, in the views folder we're gonna create a new folder. We're gonna name it layout. Okay, we're gonna name it layout. Okay, so inside of our layouts folders, we're gonna name a file. We're gonna call it, for example, app. Okay, we're gonna call it app.blade. Okay, .php. So we're gonna type app.blade app.blade.php. Okay, app.blade please, blade. Okay, .php. So we're gonna say layouts app.blade.php. Let's open this here. We have this. Okay, we have app.blade.php. Okay, we're gonna see that we have successfully create our app.blade.php file. And so what we're gonna do, we're going to install an extension. Okay, so you're gonna tap Ctrl P. Okay, and we're gonna tap Ctrl P, just tap enter. No, you're gonna say Ctrl P, yes, and you're gonna say ex2 install. Okay, Laravel. Okay, Laravel dash blade. Okay, so you're gonna tap enter and you're gonna say please enter to search. You're gonna tap this and let us copy paste all this. Okay, Control C, and you're gonna tap enter. So you're gonna see that we're going to be redirected to the search bar. Okay, and so let us add what we have put, ext. Okay, install this. Okay, and you have install Laravel this. So let us go back first here. We're gonna look something. So first of all we have to write this ext install. Okay, we're gonna say Laravel. Okay, we're gonna say Laravel ext install Laravel. So okay, so we're gonna install this package. Okay, Laravel blood snippets. Okay, Laravel blood snippets and syntax height. Okay, so we're gonna install it. Click on install. So let us go back before to install it. Okay, let us copy first for this. We're gonna copy it. Let us go back first for to our pages. Okay, in our index file. Okay, this is for example what we have about the index. Okay, or our app dots. If we can write for the add function, we can say for example add. Okay, and then we're gonna put what we're gonna call about our we're gonna put our content inside. And let us go back here and we're gonna install. And if we install this, okay, let us install. Okay, yes, I think that it is installed successfully. So we're gonna reload. Okay, and if you reload, you're gonna see that this is the add yield is going to change the colors. Okay, the color, that means our package is installed successfully. So let us remove this. Yes, I think that we have already created what we have called about so we're gonna open, let us go back down. Yes, and we're gonna come here inside of our layouts. Okay, so we're gonna come in our layouts. What we're gonna do, we're gonna copy what we have put in our index.data.php. So let us copy all these, let us copy it. So we're gonna pass it in inside of our app.blade. We're gonna pass it in, we're gonna pass it there. And what we're gonna do, we are going to come here. Okay, we're going to come here. I think that even if the basic navbar is the same, okay, so we are going to copy this. Okay, and we're gonna remove this, and we're gonna put our yet function. Okay, yet function, and inside we're gonna put the name, we're gonna put content. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to copy this. Let us copy this, let us copy it, and let us come to the index page. So we're gonna remove all these. Okay, let us remove this, or let us remove also this. Okay, we're gonna leave only the contents, okay, in our index.blade.php. So we're gonna put what we're gonna call about add. Okay, we're gonna say add section. Okay, we're gonna say add first, but we're gonna say extends. Okay, so we're gonna extend this file which is included in our layouts forum. Okay, so we're gonna extend this in order to have all CSS properties and our navbar. Okay, so we're gonna say layouts, okay, dot app. Okay, and after it, we're gonna say, and we're gonna grab this. Okay, we're gonna grab this, we're gonna say add section. Okay, in our add section, we're gonna come here in our app.blade. Let us copy this, so we're gonna pass it there. Yes, we're gonna pass it there, and we're gonna remove this add. Okay, and so we're going to take what we have put about let us first of all grab this. Okay, so we have something here. Yes, this is okay, and it does grab this. Now we have to put add section. Okay, add section, yes, and we have to grab it inside of our add section. And so we're gonna copy our content. Let us copy it, and so we're gonna pass it here. Okay, so we're gonna do the same thing with others files. Okay, let us copy it, let us copy it. So we're gonna come also to our services page. Okay, so we're gonna remove all this, so we're gonna tap this, so we're gonna say content, and we're gonna say services. Okay, and we're gonna also come to the about page. We're gonna remove this, so we're gonna pass this here, and we're gonna say about page. Okay, about page. So we're gonna save, and we're gonna come back to our browser, and so we're gonna refresh. So we're gonna see that we're gonna have the same thing. If I click on website name, okay, I'm already to the root, and if I click on home, you're gonna see that I'm on home page. If I click on about, you're gonna see that I have, this is the about page, this is the services page. Okay, this is the importance of this. Okay, and we have to remove all similar codes. Okay, and so the size of a file is going to be reduced. Okay, so it is very important. This is what we're gonna use in our project. You have to understand this concept very well. Okay, so it is going to help us in our beautiful project, our Laravel web e-commerce project. So you have to understand this. Okay, so we're gonna continue to the next session with this get function. We're gonna talk about title. Okay, so let us we're gonna talk about the include function and about the title. So we're gonna meet to the next session. Goodbye.